Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How's it going? I am in Roscoe, New York. Welcome to another vloggy vlog. It's fucking glorious here. And I'm about to take some Twisties. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh my god, look at this. I am a pig in shit. I'm only about 20 miles away from my destination and I am chilling. I'm about to take a little left over here on this road. I was just on a highway for a while and chasing this WRX Subaru, and that was really fun. I guarantee you those guys went on this road, because this road is fun as all hell. Fun as all hell. Who knows, maybe I'll see him. But just watch this shit. Look at this road. It's glorious. Unfortunately, I will not be able to catch up to those guys. We would 100% cruise on this road. Look at this road. Come on. Look at this beautiful road. Secret. Can't tell anybody. Sorry guys. If you ask where this is, can't tell you. Oh, and the air smells incredible. I wish I could describe it. Let me try. It smells obviously like grass and just like wide open space. It smells like a little bit of burning wood and a little bit of wetness, because I mean it is gonna rain. It smells like a little bit like fucking cow shit, but the majority of it is just like damp, cooler air, because it's been really warm all day, like 87, and you know, and the temperatures are dropping now because I'm up in the mountains in the Catskills. The final stretch. Look at this beautiful road. Look at that water. I saved the best for last. Downshift a little bit. Road work ahead. We don't want no trouble. Make sure there's no issues. Make sure there's no people. Yes. GPS keeps messing up. It's okay. So yeah, I basically just rode from the city with 0 brakes. It was awesome. Look at this road. Oh. I feel like a MotoGP racer. There's a rusty car over here to the right. There it is. Let's hope there's no animals. There's a car ahead. We're gonna have to pass him. We'll definitely have to pass him. The sunset on the highway was incredible. I totally did not have the GoPro going because my battery died at some point. Not sure when. This sweeping turn with fucking garbage in the road. I smell a burning wood. Somebody's having a campfire. Yes. Somebody's having a campfire. A little slow down for this turn. There we go. Tuck in. Sweeper to the right. Been in this road many times, but unfortunately it's super bumpy. So even though if you know the line, like as far as on the road, like you still don't know the micro line with the bumps. So it could literally change up on you. So you don't want to get too confident. Wind it out a little bit here. Good. Tuck into this corner here. Don't want to hit the apex too close because it's a fucking mess. Oh, look at this. A blessing. Fucking blessing. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at this. Look at this. Goddamn. 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 About to pull over, not pull over, take a left, I mean. About to take a little left here, and then continue on a sweet little rumble. Here we go. Nobody left, nobody right. There's a little bit of gravel in this turn, so you got to be careful. It's a little more bumpy, but it's lovely. Super nice, super nice. People camping out. It would have been a beautiful night to camp tonight. Could have been done. Could have been done, but could be camping right now. I could pull up to the spot and set up my tent. Could be all done. But it's gonna get dark soon, so might be a bit much. The sun is a little intense at this point. Gorgeousness. I love this section here too. Look at it. Look at this beautiful fucking stuff. I've pulled over here many times just to take a look. And now we go like this, like that. A little right turn, a little left. Look at this. All sorts of excitement happening here. We're just fucking cooking it with butter. Oh no! Red light! We got a red light. Son of a bitch. It's before that damn tunnel. It's alright. I've been here before with my amigos, with some friends. I don't know if you guys recall when I went camping with the Ducati camping club, with DJ and NYC Scrambler, my buddy Birdie Bird. We got stuck here for like 10 minutes. This fucking sucks. But we get to enjoy. Never mind the 10 minutes. The light is green. Gotta make sure that nobody is coming head on. Look at this beautiful shit. Ooh, I hit a rock. That was a big rock. Felt that shit. Oof. It's a little dirty under here, a little gravelly. Should be swept. Well, I guess it doesn't rain under here, that's why. That makes sense. It should rain. It should rain under here one day. Here we go. And there we are. Back to cruising. Look at me, no turn signal, not even gonna stop. YOLO. Cooking it. This is the best. This is fucking incredible. Love this section. Hopefully the gas station is open till 9 and not 8, because otherwise I'm gonna have to go to plan B. It's so bumpy here, but it's okay. We don't mind. Carrying some speed for this turn. Don't want to be too ambitious. Super bumpy, super bumpy, 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 bumpy. Heavy equipment. Somebody's grilling. I respect that. Bird crossing the road. marvelous. And tomorrow I get to do this again. I'm gonna take some different road. Actually, no, tomorrow I'm not taking this road. I'm taking different roads. Tomorrow. Look at this. The sun is about to pop up. Wow. Wow. Beautiful. I picked the perfect time to hit this section of the road. The perfect time. Unfortunately, we are here. Oh, look at all this grass. Savages. Throwing all that grass into the road. Here's my turn. And here we are. Here we are. We have arrived. I usually go over there, snap some pictures, but I see some people are chilling. Let them be. I am the king of the world. I made it. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna stop right here at this gas station, get some beer. And then carry on. In the park right here. Good times.